Welcome, Warriors. This is Principal Bev Scott, and tomorrow marks the start of an exciting new school year. And we are so thrilled to welcome our students back. On Tuesday, September 2nd, more than 300 students will walk through the halls of Warrenton High School, and 30 students will begin at our alternative school, Warrior Academy. Some of our Warrior Academy students will also be attending classes at WHS through a hybrid program, helping us better meet the unique needs and goals of each learner. Our amazing and dedicated returning staff, along with our fantastic new instructors, are eager to begin the year strong. We are excited to announce that we've added new courses this year that were inspired by student interests, while others tap into the incredible expertise of our staff. Although many students have already been into work on schedule changes, there will still be an opportunity on Tuesday to request adjustments. Please note that changes will be limited and based on class availability. Unless we are shifting students to help balance class sizes, requests will generally be restricted to adding or dropping classes. Many of our classes are full, so not all requests can be accommodated. We're kicking off the first day with a welcome assembly to celebrate the start of the school year. In the coming weeks, we'll also have some fun and meaningful advisory activities focused on what makes our Warrior community so special, our connections, the way we lift each other up, and by honoring the many backgrounds, perspectives, and experiences in our school. We'll be talking about what it truly means to show Warrior pride, treating each other with respect, kindness, and empathy, and creating a school where everyone feels valued and supported and appreciating the individuality and strengths every student brings. With help from our student leadership team, we've planned some engaging activities in the coming weeks to explore how we can build a positive, welcoming community where harassment, hurtful language, including profanity, and discrimination of any kind have no place, and where every student feels respected, valued, and supported. WHS continues to stand out with its wide range of unique opportunities. Our career and technical education programs, from auto and welding to graphic design and natural resources, give students hands-on experience, and our new behavioral health program, made possible through community partnerships, adds even more pathways to explore. The 2025-2026 school year promises to be full of growth, opportunity, and discovery. Let's make it a year to remember. Also, for our seniors, check out Parent Square for information about our student-led Senior Sunrise at 6:20 a.m. We'll see all of our students at WHS tomorrow. Bring your energy, your curiosity, and maybe some extra coffee.